In this video, we'll try to understand what DAD instruction is. So first of all, we go to syntax. With DAD, we basically use our register pair. That means the pair has to be, remember that the pair has to be D or BC pair. You cannot use HL, because what DAD instruction does is it adds 16-bit values which is stored in two register pairs. That means, suppose you have a value 1, 2, 3, 4 in register BC, and then if you mention DAD register B, what this does is this will add the content of BC to HL pair register value. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in HL pair as well. Now this result will be added, which is 2, 4, 6, 8 H, and then the result will be stored in HL pair itself. So DAD instruction is basically used for 16-bit addition. All the intermediate carry and the final carries will be considered, and the flags that is affected with DAD instruction is the carry flag only. So this is the use of DAD instruction. We use it for 16-bit addition, and then the 16-bit addition will be used using any one of the registers pair BC or DE, and then HL. HL is always going to be used as one of the register pair, and then the sum will be stored in the HL pair itself.